Hello and welcome back to the channel. In this little vlog episode I'm going to show you what I've been up to the past few weeks, because I know the one of you who've watched every video would have noticed that our video output has been pretty low in the last 6 to 7 weeks. But as you can see, we've got an empty driveway, and this is not because I got rid of car, but because I have been extending the space for cars at home. So we currently have 4 cars that are set here. 2 in the garage, 2 in the garden. So I don't know if you remember, but basically here in that corner, I'll include some picture as well. You had a tree that was about the size of that pear tree. And here you had the shed, so basically all we had is a tiny little opening here. So what I've done, clear all of that, get rid of the shed, empty the shed, sort out, empty the tree, get the tree out, clear up both those spaces, still a work in progress. And yeah, basically now we've got a lovely, it's like 2 meter something opening, so we can drive in and out of the garden. Fence is actually made of shed parts. I still need to finish that off. Those are the roof of the shed. The roof of the shed are actually going to be mounted here, basically. And as you can see, the workbench I had here on the side, I've basically set up here. Again, guys, still work in progress, but the idea is to essentially, I'm going to build up an area here which I'll use as an outdoor workshop. Long-term goal for here, when I've got the money for it, is essentially a concrete floor here, and then a roof, and then some panels on the side to open and close, a bit like a sort of shed, if you know what I mean. But essentially I want to be able to drive car in and out of it, so I can work on them. And at the same time, because it's always a bit of struggle in here to find a place to work, I want to be able to essentially have space to work there that I can use in the winter as well. And we've got my little kitten. She's not a kitten anymore, but she's very cute. And then on this side, again, maybe concrete, maybe a mix of, like they do aero stuff, which is like a mix of concrete, but it's got holes in it, so you can still have grass. But yeah, that took a lot of work, because basically, even though I now have a chainsaw, I've done everything with a handsaw and this axe. But yeah, when it comes to manual work, I like to do it the hard way, you know, build those muscles. But anyway, yeah, so as you can see, see the pile of brown stuff there? That's just that is the tree that was there, and the big pile of stuff. And yes, the garden is a mess. Update, I guess, on the car while we're here, nothing really has changed much. This need a new battery, and now I've got a new battery, so I will do a video to show how to change the battery, but more importantly how to adapt it. This I've got to buy a few parts to sort out the clutch on the gearbox, and then we can drive it. This hasn't really changed much, but I do need to do some stuff to it at some point. There is an old electric guitar on the side of it now, and this is the same. Been sitting here for ages. It's filled with stuff I need to give to charity, but I've got all the filters for it, so we can do that soon. But yeah, basically now that the room is made, I'm going to be able to focus on the cars again. So this, when the battery is done, we can do a lot more. I'm going to do an episode on the EPC light as well, and then essentially what I would really want to complete next is this, get it up and running, basically. And yeah, that's pretty much it for this one, guys. I know it's only going to be for the one who gives a crap about what I actually do, other than those who come for a little tutorial about something. But yeah, let me know what you think. But essentially now we should be able to have 7 cars at home, and I still have a spot on the parking that is in front of the house as well. So we can park 8 cars at home. Oh yes! You thought I had a lot of projects already. I'm barely getting started.